Namaskar everyone, welcome to you Win Moves. We will do today Sun Salutation Traditional, Sun Salutation A and Sun Salutation B. So let's start with the Sun Salutation Traditional from Hatha Yoga. So keep your feet together, hands by the side. Now keep your hands in Namaste. Inhale, hands up, backward bend. Press your hips forward, chest out, palms joining to each other. Go maximum backward, keeping your knees straight. Exhale, bend forward using the lower back, Uttanasana. Inhale, right leg back, drop your right knee down, raise your chin up, hands up, interlace your finger, press the buttocks down, chest out, chin up, try to look at your fingers. Exhale, hands down, bring your left leg back, plank position. From the plank, drop your knee, chest and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra, keeping your pelvic region down, shoulders relaxed, chest out, elbows slightly bent, do not overpress your neck. Exhale, downward facing dog, heels down, elbows straight, push the lower back, keeping your knee straight. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, drop your left knee down, raise your both the hands up, interlace your finger. Inhale, raise your chin up, look towards your finger or thumb, pressing your buttocks down. Exhale, palms down beside your right feet. Exhale, Uttanasana, feet together, head down, lengthening your spine. Inhale, hands up, backward bend, maximum backward, keeping your knee and elbow straight. Exhale, Namaste. Now same we will try with the left leg. Inhale, hands up, backward bend, chest out, chin up, use the upper back, then lower back. Exhale, forward bend, Uttanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg back, left knee down on the mat. Raise your both the hands up, interlace your fingers. Raise your chin up, pressing your buttocks down. Look towards your finger or thumb. Exhale, palms beside your right feet, right leg back, plank position, engage your core, knee straight. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar, knee, chest and chin down. Inhale, Cobra, pelvic down, chest out, chin up. Exhale, downward facing dog, heels down, press the lower back, lengthening your spine, shuck your belly in. Inhale, bring your left leg forward between your both the palm, right knee down, hands up, interlace your finger, low lunge. Exhale, hands down beside your left feet, right leg forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, hands up, back bend, maximum backward, but do not overpress. Exhale, Namaste. Now Sun Salutation A. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, forward bend, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, look up, straight your knees, palms beside your feet, slightly bend your knees. Now jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, toe pointing out, knees and thighs up from the mat, pelvic up from the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog, heels down, lengthening your spine, hold for 5 Ujjayi breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, focus on the breathing. 1, look up, slightly bend your knees and jump forward or one by one legs forward. Ardha Uttanasana, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana, head down. Inhale, hands up, upward salute, look towards your thumb. Exhale, Samastiti. Sun Salutation B from Ashtanga. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward bend, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, look up, straight your knees, straight your elbow, or you can bend your knees, then jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees and thighs up from the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog, lengthening up your spine. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, Warrior 1. Hands up, join your both the palm, look up to your thumbs, keeping your heels aligned. Exhale, both the palms down beside your feet. Bring your right leg back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now inhale, bring your left leg forward, Warrior 1, keeping your both the heels aligned, hands up, your knee and ankle aligned also. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lengthening your spine. Ujjayi breathing. 5, 4, 3. Try for Ujjayi breathing. 2, 1. Press your heel maximum down. Now try to lengthen your spine maximum. Then look up, bend your knees, jump forward. Ardha Uttanasana, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana, head down. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose, Samasthiti. So that we have finished Sun Salutation. Namaste. Thanks for watching.